Smartphone has become the oxygen of our life. We cannot imagine a single day without smartphone. Nowadays, many users in India are preferring iPhones to Android smartphones. But due to low budget, a lot of users cannot afford to buy iPhones. However, one iPhone is there that is user pocket friendly, and that is iPhone 13. You can get a very good discounts on iPhone 13 in Flipkart's Big Billion Days that is going to be held on September 23rd probably. Last year iPhone 13 was sold as low as 49k rupees in BBD's flash sale. A lot of users failed to buy it as Flipkart app crashed, and when the app functioned properly, the price rose up to 54,000 rupees. But the question arises, which people want to buy iPhone 13 even in 2023? There are few reasons behind this choice. The build quality of iPhone is great. The back is made of ceramic sealed. The sides are made of aluminum. At the front you can find 6.1 inches OLED display. The display has a peak brightness of 1800 nits in outdoor condition, as a result of which the display is fairly visible even in daylight. The HDR content looks great on the display. However, due to small screen size, you may not enjoy watching multimedia content on iPhone 13. Another thing that is important in iPhone 13, that is the camera. It has good sets of cameras. There are two cameras of 12 megapixel each at the rear. At the front there is a 12 megapixel selfie shooter. Each camera can shoot videos in 4K up to 60 fps. The still images are true to color. They lack added saturation unlike other Android smartphones. Videography is a department where iPhone never disappoints. iPhone 13 is ideal for content creators. The battery life of iPhone 13 is excellent. You can expect an SOT of 7 hours with a single charge. The device supports 20-watt fast charging. The smartphone takes around 1.5 hours to fully charge the device, up to 100%. iPhone 13's battery is better than iPhone 12 or any other iPhones. So you will enjoy your device for a longer period of time with a single charge. The OS of iPhone is polished and sophisticated. There is no bloatware apps. The apps opening and closing is very smooth. Apps are better organized in iOS than Android. iPhone 13 was launched in September 2021, so it will get OS update up to 25 or 26. So, in terms of software update, iPhone 13 is a future-proof device. Now, what will be the final price of iPhone 13 in BBD sale? In BBD sale, you can buy this device as low as 40,000 rupees. Though the price will be increased when the flash sale is over, so make sure you hit the buy button right at the start of the flash sale. Otherwise, you will miss the chance of buying this device in a cheaper price. I hope I have answered all the questions regarding iPhone 13. If you are interested about iPhone 13's camera, let me know in the comment sections below. I will make a separate video regarding the camera department of iPhone 13. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.